Now, let us solve numericals based on universal law of gravitation. Right. So, first numerical we have the gravitational force between two objects is F. Means the gravitational force of attraction between two objects is given capital F. How will this force change when we have two different conditions here, right? So first of all, we just guess that let m1 and m2 are the masses of two objects and r is the distance between them. In that case, according to gravitational law, the force between them is given by F is equal to G m1 m2 over r square. So it is the gravitational force of attraction between these two objects, and according to question it is given capital F, so we have written here F. Now let us solve the first part. The first part, according to the question, right? According to the question, distance between them is reduced to half, right? It means we have to find the new force, right? Or we have to show how will this force F changes when distance between the object is reduced to half. Means there is no change in mass, but only distance between them is reduced to half. So according to the question, new distance between them is given by r dash, and r dash is reduced to half, means half of the original distance. So new distance r dash is equal to r over 2. So the new force is given by F dash is equal to G m1 m2 over, now distance is not r, now it is r dash, so r dash square, right? So just use the value of r dash here. So we have F dash is equal to G m1 m2 over, in the place of r dash we are going to write ry2, so ry2 square. So on solving it, G m1 m2 over r square over 4. When we solve it, it will become F dash is equal to 4 ऊपर चला गया, 4 times G m1 m2 over r square. Now you see G m1 m2 over r square was the original force. So the new force F dash will become 4 times the original force. It means if the distance between these two objects is reduced to half, the new force will become 4 times the original force or the previous force. So finally we can write the result, force becomes 4 times its previous value. So it is the solution of first part. Now see the second part. What is there in second part here? The mass of each object is doubled. It means in this condition, if we double the mass of each object but distance will remain same, there is nothing is written about the distance, so mass of each object is doubled. So what is according to the question in second part? According to the question, mass of first, you can write it like that, new mass m dash is equal to twice m1, double करना है इसको, new mass m2 dash it is equal to twice m2, double करने को बोला उसने, right? So therefore new force F dash is equal to G new mass m1 dash m2 dash over, there is no change in distance, that is r square, right? So just use the values here. So F dash new force is equal to G as it is, m1 dash here, m1 dash is here 2m1, m2 dash it is 2m2 over r square as it is. So new force F dash is equal to 2 to the 4, G m1 m2 over r square, and you know G m1 m2 over r square was the previous force, right? Okay, so F dash new force is equal to 4 times the original force. So force becomes 4 times in 4 times its previous value in this case also, right? So we have to solve these questions, right, in this manner.